India's first IT boom was built inside software offices. But its next AI boom may be built inside power hungry factories of computing. HCL Tech, Servam, and the government of Odisha have announced an AI data center in the upcoming Odisha Sovereign AI Park in Bhubaneswar. The planned project outlay is Rs 14,257 crore, including financial assistance from the Odisha government. HCL Tech is also establishing a global technology center in Bhubaneswar. It is expected to house 5,000 people and begin operations by 2020. But this story is bigger than one data center. For years, India's technology strength came largely from building software and delivering services for the world. Artificial intelligence requires another layer. High performance computing, data center, reliable electricity, cooling systems, cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, and models trained for Indian requirements. The Odisha project aims to combine HCL Tech's AI capabilities with Servum's Indian foundation models to build sector-specific applications for enterprises and public systems. It also proposes multilingual AI services that can reach users beyond English-speaking urban India. And this is where sovereign AI becomes important. It is not simply about where a chatbot is developed, it is about where sensitive data is processed, who controls the models, whether Indian languages are represented, and whether Indian developers can build solutions on infrastructure located within the country. Indigenous AI does not necessarily mean that every chip will be manufactured in India. It means India should progressively core more of the value chain, its data models, applications, talent infrastructure, and governance. For investors, this expands the AI opportunity far beyond IT services. The supporting ecosystem could include power equipment, renewable energy, data center construction, cooling, telecom networks, cloud services, cybersecurity, and specialized real estate. India's earlier IT revolution made the country the world's technology services hub. The next opportunity is to make India not only a user of artificial intelligence, but also a builder and the owner of its AI infrastructure. Because the countries that control the computing infrastructure may shape the intelligence economy built on top of it. Follow Chola Securities for more such updates.
This content is for informational purposes only. None of the companies, products, or sectors mentioned are recommendations.